Now we will do the question number 6 of exercise 7.2 coordinate geometry. The question is if 1 comma 2 4 comma y s comma 6 and 3 comma 5, these are 4 points, are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. We have to find x and y. Let the coordinates of points a 1 comma 2, b 4 comma y we have to calculate, c x comma 6, x comma 6 mean x we have to find, and coordinate of point d 3 comma 5, these are the coordinates of a parallelogram. So we will draw the parallelogram is like this. So a b c d are the points 1 comma 2 4 comma y x comma 6 and 3 comma 5. So we will apply the midpoint formula. To calculate the values, because the diagonals of parallelogram bisect at point O. O mean this is BD diagonal, this is AC diagonal. These bisect at point O. So we will calculate first mid of AC point A to C, that is 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 1 plus x 2 plus 6 y coordinate, so it comes out to be 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 8 divided by 2, it comes out to be 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 4. Now mid of BD, this BD point, so it is 4 plus 3 divided by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2, it comes out to be 7 divided by 2 y plus 5 divided by 2. So these are the coordinates of point midpoint BD. So equating these mid of AC equal to mid of BD, we will write 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2 y plus 5 divided by 2. Now taking 1 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So 1 plus x multiplied by 2 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2, it comes out to 2 plus 2x is equal to 14. So it comes out to be 2x is equal to 14 minus 2, 2x comes out to be 12, x comes out to be 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So value of x we have calculated 6. Now similarly we will calculate 4 equating to this, 4 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2, multiplying 4 to this, it becomes 8 is equal to y plus 5. So y comes out to be 8 minus 5, so y comes out to be 3. So these are the coordinates of x and y points. So this is the answer of the sixth question. Seventh question, find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3, it is center, and point B is 1 comma 4. For the seventh question, we have to make a circle whose center is C, whose coordinates are 2 comma 3, and point B has the coordinates 1 comma 5 4, that is point B, and assume the coordinates of point A on the other side dia, that is A comma B, those are to be known. Let C be the center center of the circle and a comma b and b 1 comma 4 be the 2 points of given diameter AB, because AB is the diameter of the circle A to B point. So C is the mid point of AB. So we will calculate the coordinates of point, equate the coordinates of C is equal to 1 plus A divided by 2, 4 plus B divided by 2, mean B plus A, 1 plus A, 4 plus B. So coordinates of C equating to the coordinates of point A and B, it comes out to be 2 minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 is equal to 1 plus A divided by 2 comma 4 plus B divided by 2. So equating the first 2 x coordinate to the 1 plus A divided by 2. So 2 2 ja 4 is equal to 1 plus A. So A comes out to be 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now equating minus 3 to 4 plus B divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 comes out to be minus 6, 4 plus B. So taking 4 to other side, it will become minus 6 minus 4 is equal to B. B comes out to be minus 10. So coordinates of point A will be 3 comma minus 10. So this is the answer of the 7th question. 8th question, if A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Here the solution of 8th question is, we have given AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. So we can write it as AP divided by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Now we will do the reciprocal of this. It will become AB divided by AP is equal to 7 by 3. Consider reciprocal of the question. So now subtract 1 on both sides. We will get AB over AP minus 1 is equal to 7 by 3 minus 1. So AB minus AP, because AP multiplied by minus 1 comes out to be AP. So AP is equal to 7 minus 3, 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So AB minus AP, line A B P. So here AB minus AP comes out to be PB divided by AP. AB minus AP is equal to PB is equal to 7 minus 3, 4 divided by 3. So now we can write it as AP over PB is equal to 3 by 4. Consider reciprocal. So now we will solve it as coordinates of point A given minus 2 comma minus 2. Coordinates of point P we will assume x comma y. Those divided in the ratio 3:4 which we have calculated now, and coordinates of point B are 2 comma minus 4. So bisection formula, coordinates of P is equal to 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4 comma 3 multiplied by minus 4, 3 multiplied by minus 4, 4 multiplied by minus 2 comes out to 3 plus 4. So coordinates of point P becomes 6 minus 8 divided by 7 minus 12 minus 8 divided by 7. So further these become minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7. So these are the coordinates of point P. So this is the answer of the 8th question. Now the 9th question, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining point A minus 2 comma 2 and point B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Question 9th is, let the line segment AB is divided into 4 parts by CDE. The ratio of C is 1:3. This is the line A, B, point C is here, point D is here, point E is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it is divided into 4 parts. Point A is coordinates minus 2 comma 2. Point C is coordinate not given. Point B is coordinates 2 comma 8 and point C divides 1:3. Point D equally divides 2:2 and point E divides ratio 3:1 to the line. So coordinates of point C, those are 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, 1 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 2. So it comes out to be 1 plus 3 comma 1 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 2. So it comes out to be 1 plus 3. So it comes out to be 2 plus minus 6 divided by 4, 1 plus 3 and 8 plus 6, 3 2 ja 6 divided by 4. So on further simplification it gives minus 4 by 4, 2 minus 6 comes out to minus 4, 8 6 14 divided by 4. So it comes out to be minus 1 divided by 7 by 2. So these are the coordinates of point C. The point D, the ratio at D point is 2:2. So coordinate of point D, those will be 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. It comes out 2 multiplied by 8 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So on further simplification this gives 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus 4 divided by 4, 2 plus 2 4, 2 8 ja 16 plus 2 multiplied 2 4 divided by 2 plus 2 4. So coordinates of point D comes out to be 4 minus 4 0, 16 plus 4 20 divided by 4. So coordinates of point D becomes 0 minus 0 comma 5. Now ratio at E, that is 3:1. So coordinates of point E, those will be 3 multiplied by 2 and 1 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1, 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 plus 1. So the coordinates of point E become 3 2 ja 6 plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 4, 3 plus 1 4 comma 3 8 ja 24 plus 2 divided by 4. So coordinates of point E are 6 minus 2 4 by 4 comma 26 divided by 4. So these comes out to be 4 by 4 comes out to be 1, 26 divided by 4 comes out to be 13 by 2. So these are the coordinates of C, D, E points. So this is the answer of the 9th question. Now question 10, last question of this exercise. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. Hint, area of rhombus is equal to half product of its diagonals. So the solution of the 10th question is, let the points be A whose coordinates are 3, 0, point B whose coordinates are 4, 5, point C whose coordinates is minus 1, minus 4 and point D whose coordinates are minus 2, minus 1. These are the coordinates of a rhombus. So we will draw the rhombus like this. Here A, B, C, D, A is 3, 0, B is 4, 5, C is minus 1, minus 4 and D is minus 2, minus 1. So this is the rhombus. AC and BD are the diagonals of a rhombus. We know that diagonals of rhombus are not equal. Diagonals of are not equal. So by distance formula, we will calculate diagonal AC, A to C, that is minus 1 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 0 square, minus 1 minus 3 x 3 minus x1, y3 minus y1. So that comes out to be under root. So minus 4 square plus 4 square, it comes out to be 16 plus 16 comes out to be under root 32 units. Or we can further simplify it as 4 under root 2, 2, 4, 8, 4, 32 units. Now point BD. So x2 y2, x4 y4. So we will do calculate this as minus 2 minus 4 square plus minus 1 minus 5 square, minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So it comes out to be minus 6 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 square plus minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 square. So 6 36 plus 6 the square 36. So it comes out to be 72 under root, which we further simplified it as 4 6 under root 2 units. Now area of rhombus as given in the hints is equal to half the product of diagonals. So half diagonals AC we have calculated 4 under root 2 and calculated BD 6 under root 2. So half 4 2 under root multiplied 2 under root comes out to be 2 multiplied by 6. So cancelling 2 with 2 it comes out to 24. So 24 units square is the area of the rhombus. So with this 10th question we have completed the 7.2 exercise of coordinate geometry. Thanks for watching. If you are having any doubt you can comment us. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.